Today we have Toshiba Satellite Pro L750 and we want to replace the screen. To remove that, remove this little plastic cap that exposes the screws underneath, and there are basically 4 of them, and under each plastic cap there is 4 screws that need to be replaced in order to remove the plastic bezel that holds the screen in place. The tools you're going to be needing is 000 flip screwdriver. I use the drill to save some time. And all the tools, screens, tapes, whatever you need, you can just get it on eBay, Amazon's, or any other marketplace that you can find your hands on. To remove the plastic frame, the bezel, just put your fingers under it and just pull it out toward yourself. Put a bit of pressure because there's a lot of brackets and latches that holds it in place. So don't be shy away from putting a bit of a force. Pry open the bezel all around the screen till you're able to just lift it simply up. Once you do that, then you have just put something really like prying toward a screwdriver. Just lift up the hinges cover that holds it in place. Now screens are held by 4 screws, but 2 screws on each side. Again, get your 000 flip screwdriver and unscrew those 2 screws on each side. You don't need to, as a lot of people does, is remove a lot of screws from the bottom or the back half, or anything out of ordinary. Don't do that. Just simply make a bit of a gap between the screen cover and the screen itself till the screws on the sides are exposed. Then you're able to just simply unscrew them easily like that. The screw is 15.6 inch standard 40 pin, and you can get it about $70 to $80 on eBay. And the screw durations, the replacement durations for this job is going to be about 15 to 20 minutes for somebody who's never done it before, or about 5 to 10 minutes for somebody who's done it before. It took me about 7 minutes normally when I do this kind of jobs. There's these tapes that you have to remove very carefully so you don't damage the cable, the LCD cable. Simply lift up all the tapes. There's one plastic, and then simply slide it out away from the connections, just like the ones you see in the picture. Be very careful you don't lift it up, but lift it backwardly away from yourself. Be very careful with the pin connections because you don't want to damage anything. Putting it back together is the same procedure as the ones that you used to disassemble in the first place. Have a good day, guys.